Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can share internet from your Android phone to your PC or laptop through USB tethering. For this, open the setting of your mobile phone. Now search USB tethering in the search bar. Now tap on the USB tethering. Now you can see the USB tethering is not available at this moment. For this, you have to connect the phone with the PC through a data cable. As you can see, the data cable is connected and the USB tethering option is also available. Now first of all, turn on your mobile data. After turning on the mobile data, turn on the USB tethering. Now the USB tethering is enabled. Now let's check on the PC. Now check the PC if the internet is working or not. You can see the internet is working. You can search anything from here. You can see here they are disconnected with the local area connection. If it is not connected or is not connecting, just type here network connection in the search bar. Now click on view network connection. You will see an icon of Ethernet which is connected through this. Click on it and click on diagnose disconnection. This will resolve your issue related to this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.